Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic television with a model number TC-either 50, 55, 60, or 65 CS560, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. I'll go ahead and put these specific model numbers in the description so you can be sure. Now there's two ways that you can do this. One is through the setup menu and one is actually through the hardware, the physical hardware buttons. So there's two reasons you might want to do this. The first reason is troubleshooting. If this TV is not responding or not connecting or not working right for any reason, a hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. And the second reason is if you're just trying to get this set up as a new TV and you want everything wiped off of it, we can go ahead and do that. Now, the first way to do it is through the setup menu. You're just going to go to Menu, Setup, System, Factory Default, and then OK, and then Yes to confirm it. But I'm not going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about the way to do it via the hardware, because if your TV's not responding or something like that, you're going to need to do this via the hardware button. So what you need to do is the TV needs to be turned on, and with the TV turned on, you're going to come to the back of the TV and find the volume down button, and then you're going to take your controller and you're going to find the menu button, which is just below the power button on the left side of the controller, and you're going to press that volume down button and the menu button at the same time for at least 5 seconds. After those 5 seconds at least, then you can go ahead and unplug the TV, let go of the buttons, and then when you start your TV up again, it will start up, it will wipe everything off into its factory default settings.